Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel WebTech Mantra. In this video, we'll learn how to recover our lost mobile using CEIR Portal. CEIR is a government-run portal which helps in blocking or tracking lost mobiles or stolen mobiles. For this, you need to follow 3 simple steps to recover your mobile phone. First, file a police complaint. Second, block your phone. And number 3, track your phone. The first step in recovering a lost phone is to file a police report. For this, you need to provide your IMEI number, which is a unique identifier for your device. You can find your IMEI number by dialing *#06# on your phone, or you can find it in your invoice. And second step you need to do is to block your phone. Once you have filed a police report, then you can go to CEIR Portal and block your lost or stolen phone. Just go to CEIR Portal and click on Report Lost or Stolen button. You can enter your IMEI number, contact details and police complaint which I have filed earlier, and then click on Submit button to block your phone. And third step is to track your phone. If you have enabled the tracking location feature on your phone, then you can go to CEIR Portal to track your lost device. Just go to the website and click on Track Your Complaint button. There you can enter IMEI number and the reference number which you have received while filing the police report. There CEIR Portal will show you the location of your phone. I hope you understood how to recover your mobile phone using CEIR Portal. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.